We are going to learn these English words into thok naht. New, recent, min pai thok, min pai ben. Quick, swift, path, ki me path. Shall I quick and swift. Ready to go. They are different words, but take a color the color. Me path, quick and me path. With swift and me path ba. Happy, content. Tesloach content ba da ne teslo do me te me trade worker shall content ba la me don't te me trade worker no mo ba shall content ki men take ji important, significant, mingwa, min take a lot, tired, exhausted, short, clean, pristine, mi which, mittelniet, scared, frightened, dual, mishe dual, bright, luminous, boy, smart, intelligent, mingeche duor, mi pel, dark, obscure, moot, mingech, michangech, shall obscure, kie dark, kie mus, rich, wealth, ramiriang, served, secure, gang, maganga door, cheka gang, poor, impoverished, shan, ramital door, mitalaji door, dangerous, or zadus, minbech, mibech, kie mijag, hard, difficult, mibum, mibech lade, lucky, fortunate, bang, miti bang, miti ka bang dong chador shi ke lam jamala jage, fast, rapid, pet, me pet, unlucky, unfortunate, mitel bang, miteleje bang ki mitel bang, angry, famished, both, manek body shall angry, funny, humorous, migwa, mites loikeja, thirsty, parched, raw, maguri pew, serious, graved, miladi talk, lazy, indolent, nyuan, indolent, kene lazy, nyodene nyuan, rami moshilat chejelo, come on, ubiquitous, kamin ngashke, guasnidial, mila come on, mngayke namo la mitetin nuchang, jole come on, ke ubiquitous, friendly, amiable, friendly and amiable, lut kenekel, rami mesmagwa, by jolly amiable, ke friendly, rude, impolite, mitelus, telelus, chirkarami mo ramitelus, ramachingwa chikalus, basic, fundamental, mitiak, tugdwara, shwale basic, funny, amusing, migwa, mijagloikatet, simple, straightforward, mitiak, michung, kie mitaldiu, straightforward, kie simple, braved, courageous, rami bum, rami molwang lat, de jol brave ki rami shedwal, complex, complicated, mirit rode, mishedwal jatwok bororit complex la chichungwa kel, emi chichungwa kel, michi dwar chungwa kel by chola no jana complex ke complicated. Weak, feeble, nyuan mi koy ki mi de maltol mi shala feeble dera mi pol ba mi pol de nangna ba. Clear, transparent, mi George mi chichop loy naht peri dwara clear dang ja jogo no shagwa la mi thok mi dwar mi thok ki mi George ano de lar no clear. Transparent ba jen chere ka dwar chere ka peri mi per dwarode chike men la dwar nen mi bi shi mer ka batari ki ka dwar dong de joy kwichi mi la mi dwar krede alo shale transparent ki mi per. Strong, robust, bom ki rama bum rama strong ki mi bum ena dwar mi bum mi chade luang ka todo ki ka yuach jen mi bum ki shale bom. Cold, chili, koch ba chili shere mi lata pointu mi dong to pinte ka koch shale cold chili. Ugly, unattractive, mi jek mi telnen mi gwa ki shagwa ugly ki unattractive lura ne mi jek ki mi shagwa. Whole, ancient, midwang, mewal kene midwang akene kela tone. Ugly, unattractive, old, ancient. So gwasa many. I'm going to read them one by one more time. New, recent, quick, swift, happy, content, important, significant, tired, exhausted, clean, pristine, scared, frightened, bright, luminous, smart, intelligent, dark, obscure, rich, wealthy, safe, secure, poor, impoverished, dangerous, hazardous, hard, difficult, lucky, fortunate, fast, rapid, unlucky, unfortunate, hungry, famished, funny, humorous, thirsty, parched, serious, grave, lazy, indolent, common, ubiquitous, friendly, amiable, rare, infrequent, rude, impolite, basic, fundamental, funny, amusing, simple, straightforward, brave, courageous, complex, complicated, weak, feeble, clear, transparent, strong, robust, cold, chilly, ugly, unattractive, whole, ancient. Milaka pedi ka queen, they already improved ka queen thok. Naht ki ka queen thok English. So could you follow me? But you look every day try to learn 5 to 6 English words by speaking louder. Okay? So lamna jawon no bi jowdu bi jotop ko bi kulangach. Without practicing you will not learn anything. So practicing every day will make you learn English or thok naht fluent. Biat Kamal, bye bye.